Gikundi giki kiri na amemba 20 kuuma kaunti-ini ya Narok hakuhi na ruri-ini rwa nyamu rwa Maasai Mara na mokire hamwe thutha wa thukuru kuhingwo kumana na murimu wa COVID-19 na nirio macokaniriirie meciria na gwetha undu uria mangika ithenya-ini ria guikara uguo. Thutha wa gwika uthuthuria na gwetha motaro kuma kuri andu ngurani nirio magire na riciria ria guthondeka thabuni makihuthira mai ma njogu na kuringana nao mokiraga rucini kurogota giko giki makiuga no gikorwo gitari na kiene no kurio ni undu uri na umithio munene.
The elephant dung is something that is locally available, like within our area, since you see that this is the jungle, this is Maasai Mara, so most of the elephants are around, so we get it with ease. And the most of the time that we collect it is during the day because it's much safer. The elephants are not there during the day.
Vivian Sumoi ni Atongoria wa Gikundi giki na no murutwo thukuru-ini wa Mount Kenya agitariria maumirira mathabuni uyu makoretwo mari na umithio na makiria kuri aria makoretwo makiuhuthira makiuga ona ni makoretwo makiutukania na mithemba ya indo iri na muruke mwega wa kuguciriria ahuthiri.
Alafu pana mafuta inayoongezwa coconut oil, vitu kama olive oil na manukato ambayo zote zinamixiwa, zinachanganywa kwa formula fulani alafu inaleta soap.
Vivian augite gitumi gia kuhuthira giko kia njogu ni gukorwo nyamu icio iriaga mithemba ya mahuti maria merikanaga gukorwo ari ndawa cia miti, akiuga ni mahotete gukurana umithio wamo kuhitukira thabuni. Riu akiuga thutha wa kurogota giko kiu macokaga gutwarwo kiganda-ini na guthondeka mathabuni mithemba itiganite.
They are perfect for the soap, so once someone uses that soap maybe to wash their face, to wash their body, it helps in removing spots, it helps in making it soft. So that is the reason as to why we chose the elephant dung, because it eats a variety.
Andu aria mombite gikundi giki maugite kiria matigaritie no kuhitukirio ni ruhonge rwa KEBS. Riu makienda thirikari ikorwo ikimahura njeki niguo ona mahote guthondeka thabuni kwa uingi.
We only make a few depending on the demand, and also for samples, maybe for you, if you come along we show you what we have, and if maybe someone needs it.
Handu-ini Hakameme TV, ritwa riakwa ni Wambui wa Njuguna.